Hi, my name is Sonam. This is my mother, Pramila. We actually came in contact with Walls to Home because, as usual, we were also hunting for a lot of, design teams. We were meeting with a lot of interior teams to find out who can design our home the best. I cannot even remember how many teams I have met. I cannot even remember how many designers I've interviewed. But when I met Walls to Home, everything fit in place. I wanted to concentrate on three things: budget, design style, and execution. Budget, Walls to Home gave us a good plan on how to include everything that fit well within our budget. Design style, this was also very important for me. I have a very minimalistic style is what I like. When I spoke to Walls to Home designers, they understood what I wanted, and they even showed me some references like, you can do this, you can do that, you can improve on your own design. And that actually hit the nerve. It was a good thing for me. I wanted someone to correct me. I wanted someone to tell me where I could improve and have a home. And that's why I zeroed in on Walls to Home. And execution, I went through a ton of your reviews online, and everybody had anything but good words about execution. So I knew that Walls to Home will be a perfect fit for us, and that's how we went ahead with it.
ಓವರಾಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು ನೆನ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗಿದೆ. ಅವರು ಹಾಕಿದ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್, ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತನೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ, ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಂಡ್ವರೆಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ನೀವು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತನೇ ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವರ್ಡೇ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಕಿಚನ್ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು.
ಅಪ್ಲಯನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ
ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು you can reach the items when you're cooking. It's designed in such a way that you don't have to move around the entire kitchen to actually do your cooking. It's all at hands, reachable places. There's a dedicated space for each appliance, and it helps us maintain our kitchen nicely. We won't be able to keep it neat on otherwise, but the way it is designed helps us to, maintain it nicely, and it makes it look like we are some clean freaks.
Yes.
Oh yes, and I love how the kids' bedroom came up. My son loves toys. Like any parent, we have stuffed our house with a lot of toys, so much that now we do not have enough space in our whole house. But the way this playroom has been designed, it has helped me, made my life a lot easy. All the Legos can stay up, all his other cars can stay down, and I can see that how he enjoys staying in that room, playing in that room, and it's been nothing but great. I have already recommended Walls to Home to a lot of people. I will definitely recommend Walls to Home to anybody who's looking up for interiors in Bangalore. They can understand what you want. All I had to do was show my Pinterest photos or some inspiration photos and tell what my intention was for a particular room, and Walls to Home was able to deliver that for me. Each corner in my house right now has been designed intentionally, and that has been really useful for me. It's not just a studio that I live in, it's a home, and it's what I needed. So thank you Walls to Home for making my house into a beautiful home, especially Aftab and Bhima. Yeah, both of you have been really good. You have helped us a lot at this. All your inputs were really helpful. There was also Harsha and Mansi during our design phase who also helped us a lot. It was really helpful. Thank you.